Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's STEM challenge, you'll be designing a paper airplane. But before we get into designing it, let's talk about what forces might affect our planes.
The four forces that affect planes are thrust, lift, drag, and gravity. I'm going to throw the paper airplane. Can you see the four forces at work? When you throw a paper airplane in the air, you are pushing the plane forward, and that push is called thrust. When the plane is flying forward, air is moving over and under the wings, which is the upward force of lift. Air pushes back against the plane and starts slowing it down. This is known as drag. And the airplane is being pulled back down to Earth by gravity.
Now that you've learned about thrust, lift, drag, and gravity, it is time to start your STEM challenge.
Here's what you will need: paper, scissors, and tape.
Before you start your challenge, let's figure out how to make a paper airplane.
Start with your paper horizontally and fold the paper in half. Unfold the paper. Fold each of the top corners into the center line. Fold the top edges into the center line. Fold the plane in half. Fold the wings down, matching the top edges with the bottom edge of the body. And there you have a paper airplane. Find a big space to throw your paper airplane and see where it lands. Test it a few times and be sure that you mark each of your tests. Your STEM challenge is to modify the original paper airplane to make it travel farther. You might want to fold your airplane differently. Maybe cut its wings, or maybe make the nose of the airplane heavier.
I hope you have fun creating your paper airplane. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious.